Today we are here to present the unique features of this simple and modern tiny house, which covers an area of 48 square meters, along with the estimated construction cost. To build this plan, you should have an average of 250 square meters or more of land. The exterior of the house stands out with a modern and simple architectural concept. Complementary colors on the facade provide a harmonious and modern look that blends well with the surroundings. The wooden cladding used in the design of our house's facade offers the privilege of living in harmony with nature. Upon entering, it provides a warm family atmosphere with one bedroom and one open kitchen living room. Thanks to the practical design of the living room and kitchen, you can spend wonderful moments with your family. In the bedroom, carefully selected bed-in storage spaces offer an area where you can efficiently utilize our home. The budget you need to allocate for the construction of this house is detailed in the explanations section with the current cost. You can visit our link in the description for all the visuals and application plan dimensions of this plan. Stay tuned for the latest house models and updated costs.